Welcome to System Dynamics Online Tutorials. In this particular session, we're going to cover one-step transfer under the interwarehouse transfers. Under distribution within the inventory, under processing and interwarehouse transfers, we have a one-step transfer. What this application allows us to do is, in the case of logical warehouses being set up within the product, the actual transfer from a request entry through a shipping confirmation, which puts the quantity of items into an in-transit bucket, and then the receiving confirmation taking out that in transit and putting it into an on hand in the receiving location, and all the general ledger transactions that would occur with that is bypassed with the one-step transfer. It basically takes the inventory item from the one location, populates it and puts it to the other location, generates and creates all the general ledger transactions that are required in one step, hence the name one-step transfer. This is primarily used for a lot of logical warehouses, or in the case of warehouses that are not physically separated, that there is no shipment required, physical shipment required. The one-step transfers simply allows me to move inventory around the system. The application, once we go into it, presents us with the pertinent information required: the sending warehouse, which is where I want the stock to be moved from; the receiving warehouse, which is where I want the stock to be moved into; the product, in the case of a lot controlled, the sending lot number will be asked for, the receiving lot number. And again, if it was a bin controlled item, I would have the sending bin location and the receiving bin location of where it's going to. And then the transfer quantity, the amount that I'm actually going to transfer, and it would generate the transfer number for me so that I could actually view it within the transfer request, transfer inquiry. So if we actually call up, I can use a list of values here for the sending warehouse. I'm going to send some goods from my QC warehouse, and I'm going to receive it in my supply warehouse, my SUP. And the product that I'm going to send, I can use another list of values. It will show me all of the products that are available to send from this sending warehouse location here. So I'm going to send some bottles. It's not lot controlled or bin controlled, so the application automatically goes to the transfer quantity. I'm going to transfer 1,000 bottles, and I simply save this transaction, and I retrieved a transfer number of 91. What's occurred now is my inventory for the sending warehouse QC for the bottle, or BT750, has been reduced by a quantity of 1,000. The receiving warehouse has automatically had its supply inventory stock increased for the BT750 by 1,000. All of the general ledger transactions have been produced, and everything has been tagged toward transfer number 91. So you can see it's a very fast process to do a one-step transfer from any given warehouse to any given warehouse.